Good morning and welcome to Vegan Scratch Kitchen, where today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin spice pancakes with a delicious coconut whipped cream. This recipe is fairly straightforward, but there's a couple steps that you absolutely have to get right, and I'm going to walk you through each step of the way. Let's jump into it. This is a can of Trader Joe's coconut cream which I've chilled in the fridge overnight. It's very important to do this because it allows the fat of the cream to separate from the liquid. So intuitively, you would just pop the top off and get the cream out, but to make things easier, we're gonna flip the can over and cut out the bottom so that we can simply pour out the liquid. We'll go ahead and set this aside. Here I have my mixing bowl, which I chilled in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes prior. This helps the mixing process in making the coconut cream. So you will need a powered mixer for this recipe. I'm going to be using the KitchenAid. You can also use a handheld powered mixer if you'd like. Take a spoon and scoop out the coconut cream into your mixing bowl. Now I'm going to pop my bowl onto the KitchenAid, and let's start mixing. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good. I'm actually gonna add in a little bit of this reserved coconut liquid now to let it get a little bit lighter and fluffier. That is looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna add a couple more ingredients to give it some more flavor. First up, we'll add 3/4 of a cup of organic powdered sugar. If it gets messy, don't worry about it, just calm down. You'll get it cleaned up later, don't worry about it, okay? Come on. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lastly, add some lemon zest. Now we'll transfer all of the cream into a glass storage container that you can put in the fridge. Time to make some pancakes. We'll start off with 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons organic sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. And now for the most important ingredient in making them pumpkin spice pancakes, pumpkin spice. I'm gonna use Trader Joe's pumpkin pie spice seasoning because Trader Joe's, shout out, please sponsor me, and because it's easy. So we'll add this in now. Lastly, I'm gonna add in a few grinds of salt. Now we'll whisk these ingredients together. Okay, now we'll set this aside. Next, we're gonna combine the wet ingredients, and there's only a few of them. So here I have 1 1/4 cup of sweetened vanilla almond milk. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The last wet ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so we are ready to combine the wet and dry ingredients. So pour in. Now take a spatula and mix the ingredients around. You want to be sure that there's still some lumps in the batter because that'll allow the pancakes to be nice and light and fluffy when they are cooking on the skillet. So we have the batter mixed to a good consistency now. All of the ingredients are incorporated. There's no streaks of flour, but you can also see that there's still lots of little lumps in there. So we're going to let the batter sit for about 10 to 15 minutes now before we get started with the process of making the pancakes. I am so happy about this right now. If that doesn't make you happy, there's something wrong with you. These pancakes look so good. They're light and fluffy. They have a nice rise to them. They stack well, and the coconut whipped cream. I'm ready to dig in. I mean, what more do you want me to say about this? Should I give like a speech or what? I mean, you can see it. Vegan pumpkin spice pancakes with coconut whipped cream. So delicious. perfect fall and wintertime breakfast. Make them for yourself, for your friends and family. You'll all enjoy. And if you like what you saw in this video, please like, comment, subscribe, all of those things. And I'll see you next time.